Rafting today. What's this money for? He's so focused. What's account gone?
Money for the raft.
Sathi bande baju.
Getting ready with sunscreen. Rafting ko lagi.
Bintang rafting. Video चाहिँ लिनु पाउँदिन होला भित्र because SD card नै काम गरेन. अब यस्तो रहेछ यता चाहिँ फोटोज यसरी लिँदा रहेछ. Guys, आज चाहिँ we are going for rafting. First time for everybody. सबै first time हुँदैछ बालीमा. हैन?
Let's go.
Changing room. Changing गर्दैछ अब.
Change to rafting shoe.
Guys, grab a oar. Tomorrow.
So we are ready to go. पुग्यो अब हामी बोटमा. जाँदैछ सबैजना.
Guys, are you excited?
राफ्टिङ फर्स्ट टाइम कस्तो हुँदो रहेछ अब हेर्नुपर्छ.
First time rafting.
एभ्रिथिङ फर्स्ट टाइम इन बाली. यो पनि ओह्रालो ओह्रालो छ. अब चाहिँ यो तल बाटो देखाउँछु है. गोइङ डाउन यस्तो छ बाटो चाहिँ. अस्ति वाटरफल गएको जस्तै रहेछ बाटो तर अलिकति इजियर. Like already but we have comfortable shoes yata paनीको लागि. 5 hours we slept and then we came back.
हामी जाँदैछु. This is our group and they've already started complaining that the jacket stinks. So I don't know how the raft tour is going to be, but we'll try and have much fun as much as possible. यसरी नै जानुपर्ने रहेछ. हिजो पनि माउन्ट बातुरबाट यस्तै ट्रेक गरेर आएको हामी. यतिको चाहिँ स्टिप छ हो, अन्त हामी यतिको चाहिँ उकालोबाट आउँदैछौँ. यहीँबाट माथिबाट नै गियर दिँदो रहेछ. फ्रम द भेरी टप पिकअप पोइन्टबाट नै हामीले चाहिँ गियर अप भएर यता यो लोकेसनमा मेन स्टार्टिङ पोइन्ट जहाँबाट राफ्ट गर्छौँ. बाइ द वे बाली इज वन्डरफुल. ग्रिन्स अल अराउन्ड, रिभर्स, माउन्टेन्स, भल्केनोज, सबै एक्टिभिटिजहरू गर्न सक्ने रहेछ. इभन ATV we had fun. So much for now. I guess we have arrived. यहीँ तल छ and we'll see you guys later.
We reached finally. Our struggle is going back. Reached. अब चाहिँ पुग्यो हाम्रो बोटमा. We are excited and we are in the first time कस्तो हुन्छ पनि.
Down there have the crocodile. Not insurance for the glasses.
Forget the glasses को लागि rubber band. फोन लेयर से जसरी लाउँदैछ. राफ्ट यसरी झर्दा भयो.
Are you enjoying?
Yes.
Rinchen, Zulfi, how's your experience so far?
Oh, great. It's amazing.
Great.
Need a bucket list. Check. Seriously, this is something pending for me as
We're
well.
still continuing.
1 more hour.
So I leave break time, oh?
Going back. Have a feeling. Ride on for 1 hour. Oh,
So finally we're done with the rafting. We stop here after 1.5 hours.
Yeah.
We are here after an hour and a half of rafting. We had fun, stopped in between, took a break, had some drink. अब अहिले फेरि तल रोकेर, so we have to hike back again. यसरी जानु पर्दो रहेछ कतिजना चाहिँ the entire raft यसरी बोकेर उकालो. Imagine कति साह्रो परिरहेको होला. Still we are empty-handed. How was your experience, guys?
Lovely. Awesome. Awesome.
Experience was amazing. Bucket list checked. So now we are heading to another villa. हामी अब माथि जाँदैछु. हाम्रो गाडी पर्खिरहेको छ. So we'll get into our cars and then head off to Seminyak. हाम्रो reservation भइरहेछ villaमा. And
We will meet
Suraj and family. हरू चाहिँ they had plans to go to the zoo with the kids. Yeah, they couldn't make it because of the kids. Kids are not allowed at the rafting ko lagi. 6 years and above like matrai allowed garda rahecha. So far, they update and we'll see them in the villa. So stay tuned.
सुन्नु के हो सिरियस छ त चुपचाप हिँड्दै रहेछ नि
अगाडि चाहिँ बाटो हाम्रो उता घरहरू जस्तो रहेछ न्यारो रोड.
I do back.
He was funny in the whole trip. What's your name?
Daniel.
Daniel.
Yes.
It was a fun experience. He was our guide. It was very funny. So the ride was fun. Sorry.
Don't hit your friend.
I don't want to hurt anyone now. Sono, are you okay?
Yeah.
अब चाहिँ हामी यहाँ चेन्ज गर्न जाँदैछ. We'll keep all the helmets back. Our change गरेर चाहिँ we'll eat something and go. Rafting done. Going back to change and we'll eat something and go. Breathe. Tired. Change गर्न जाँदैछ. After effects lunch. अब going to eat lunch अब सकेर यता त राइस फिल्ड रहेछ नि त. Time to eat.
Lunchtime, guys.
Yes. Simple रहेछ. Mee goreng and chicken loki decide the vegetables. Rice field को view देख्दा रहेछ दाजु. Now we are having ice cream.
Avocado.
I bought pineapple and dragon fruit. The orange day. Bali में so कोई flavor को पाउने से last time we tried coconut one. Dragon fruit I wanted to try.
No, I like avocado. Natural.
It's not very sweet. ठीक है कॉलेज है. Then अब we are heading back to the villa. We'll see, give you a tour. Getting ready. Ayurvedic को doctor. मेरे family लाइक इसलिए. तो villa में okay, it's like some local peanuts.
Small gifts from Vijaya.
Thank you.
Thank you, Vijaya.
Amitabh Bachchan. The rich one is Shahrukh Khan.
Yes. How is it, Sonu? No, these guys are trying.
Ooh, spicy.
Nice. The sauce decoration. I'm trying this. So we reached Villa.
Okay, guys, staying with us.
Thank you.
I'm a Nyoman. Yes. You're gonna see a lot of Nyoman in Bali. All the third child, they name Nyoman. Hindu, yeah. Wayan, the first one. Made, second. Third Nyoman. You're gonna see a lot around this area. Explain the villa for you. And
Yeah, sure.
after this, you'll be my guide.
It's our gas racer. Subway racer.
We do have backup.
Rice cooker. Rice. Toaster. Yes, subway racer. She's excited. So this is room 1. It's the swimming pool. Wow, nice. So this is the second room and this is the third. So bathroom is same. Pool fence पनि लगाइदिन्छु भनेको छ कि तर एक्स्ट्रा पैसा त्यसको. We asked before. Hi, welcome. Hi. Come this side. Yay, yay. Hello, hello. Welcome. Yeah, also back. So this is our villa for 5 days. So everybody is here. अब चाहिँ हामी एकछिन मार्टमा आएको टु डु ग्रोसरी सपिङ. यो चाहिँ ठुलो मार्ट रहेछ. फ्रुट्स रहेछ. आज चाहिँ हाम्रो फर्स्ट डे इन द विल्ला. Say hi to the camera. यो टेकिङ राम्रो रहेछ मार्ट त. विल्लाको अगाडि चाहिँ there's a big mart.
यहाँ पनि हामीलाई छोडेन हो केटाहरूले. यहाँ पनि हामीलाई खाना पकाउनु पर्यो. अब प्याजहरू किन्नुपर्छ.
प्याज पनि छ अरे अब त. दिस मार्ट इज भेरी एक्सपेन्सिभ. यो चाहिँ अर्को मार्टमा आएको हामी. भेजिटेबल्स आउन यसको कहाँ लेख्छ छ प्राइस? जिन्जर 5000.
मैले ब्रोकोली किनेँ होइन, अन्डा किनेँ, त गाजर किनेँ, अन्त साग पनि किनेँ. मासुमा अदुवा त हामी 1 दिराममा किन्छ. यहाँ बनाइरहनु होला.
ब्रेडहरू रहेछ यतातिर चाहिँ.
भोलि चाहिँ एभोकाडो टोस्ट ब्रेकफास्ट.
चेकआउट गर्नु लागेको. अब चाहिँ फर्केको हामी. अब चाहिँ मसाज गर्ने.
Cockroach, yes, I'm scared.
यता चाहिँ बनाउँदैछ उसले. यस्तो छ है. यता चाहिँ हुँदैछ भित्र मसाज 3 जनाको. पकाउँदैछ. म गर्छु नि अब ल. के गरेको यहाँ सबले काम गर्दैछ. साथी के गरेको तिमीले?
दाल बनाउँदैछ.
डेक्चीमा पकायो हुँदैछ दाल चाहिँ.
छैन नि त कुकर.
राइस हुँदैछ यहाँ. प्याज काट्दैछ. Here Ridan is relaxing and watching TV.
यस्तो दामी दाल बनाएर चाहिँ तिमीलाई के भन्नु छ?
मलाई के भन्नु छैन. यस्तो म डेली बनाउँछु त के फिलिङ हुँदैन अरे.
सोनु सेफले बनाइदिँदैछ. हामी कति दिन बाद खाँदैछ घरको खाना. यहाँ चाहिँ हुँदैछ ऊ भोलिको लागि रेडी गर्दैछ. सोनुको खाना हालेर सेमिन्याकमा आएर अचार चिकन साग.
उसले मिठो खाना देखेर नि उसको म्यानिक्योरको चाहिँ हेर न देखाइदिइहाल.
यो त पहेँलो लाग्यो अरे.
सबैजनाले हात खाएको देखेर